Hi friends, this is Noisy Nessie, and today we are going to unbox and review the July 2020 single swag box. For a while I've been looking at boxes I could subscribe to internationally, as I am based in Dubai. And I was looking at almost 12 months of reviews, and to be honest, I was quite intrigued by the products and the kind of items they were delivering. However, I have to be honest and say I am a bit disappointed because the quality as well as the items that they have been putting in their boxes over the last 2 or 3 months hasn't been that exciting. So I have ordered one more box, but I'm not certain if I'm going to continue with this subscription. Anyways, have a look and tell me what you think. So let's dive in. When you open the box, you first see a card that says that you can click a picture and tag them on Instagram, and you do get a chance to win your next box. Also, they give you a product card which tells you all of the items that you have inside your box. Now, I did notice, because I think certain products it's harder to ship internationally. I guess they change a few products because I was reviewing a few other bloggers and the products were a bit different. So this, I'm gonna keep this aside and talk about each product when we review. So this is a nice black paper that they put in, and this is how the box looks. Now I'm gonna keep this aside and we will review each item. So the first product we have are the Shizu's inflatable unicorn cup holders, a set of 2. Simply inflate these mythical drink holders that are perfect for use in the pool, at the beach, or on the lake, or in the tub. Keep your cans, cups, and bottles close by and secure so they're ready when you need them. So let's have a look at this. This is what it looks like. Now I have taken the liberty of inflating one. The size of the holder is not too big. I don't think you can put different kind of, like a whiskey glass or something inside it. I just think it's for a beer can or a small bottle. They're pretty cute. So you get a set of these. You get a set of 2. The next product we have is the Laritzi Dew Pot. Loaded with ultrafine shimmer, this smooth blendable highlighter will keep you dewy all day. Designed to enhance skin tones, this effortless formula can be used wherever you want an extra touch of light. So let's have a look at it. This is what it looks like. The color says glory. I have tan skin, so I'm sure if you have a different skin tone, it will look different, but you can see a bit of shimmer. Next product we have is from Lily Sky. This is a tassel long necklace and earring set. Make a statement with this fun, stylish long necklace and earring set in gold. They say that the chain measures 30 inches and also has a 3-inch extender. Now, if I have to be honest, I'm not very fond of the tassel necklace. I mean, this is a very particular style choice that people have. Though I do like the earrings. They have this a little bit of a 3D dimension, and they're quite pretty. I'm not so certain if I'll wear the necklace though, but the earrings I do like. Next product we have is from Toroko Natural. Hydrating hand cream, Sicilian blood oranges, and sandalwood. This rich velvety hand cream loaded with volcanic minerals, Sicilian oranges, and natural oils will soothe and protect your skin while leaving it silky smooth and bursting with vitality. For a deep hydrating experience, massage lotion into hands and fingers, paying close attention to the cuticle area. Now, I tried this hand cream on. It doesn't feel rich and luxurious, though eventually it's absorbed by your skin and it does feel good. This next product is by Sunday Rain, and honestly, I love the smell of this. Very similar to Spongel. It's an invigorating loofah soap. This 2-in-1 product combining a soap and loofah is a bath time game changer, allowing you to enjoy a spa-worthy scrub anytime your skin needs a wake-up call. Guys, this smells amazing. It's got such a fruity berry smell. It smells amazing. The next product we have is from Way of Will. Now, guys, this is one of the products that I saw was different from what y'all received in the US. But let me tell you a little bit about it. Nourish your mind and body with this pure essential oil remedy infused with black pepper and basil essential oils to relieve stress, while lavender and Roman chamomile essential oils help you calm your anxiety. It smells really herbal. It's got a very herbally scent. It's quite strong. I'm not sure if this will give me a headache or it will relieve my headache, but it's something that I gotta try. The last product that we have is from Sienna May, a Nora zipper pouch. Way more than just a cosmetic bag, this sleek, travel-friendly pouch with a tassel zipper will keep your everyday essentials safe and secure. Now, guys, the quality of this pouch I'm not so sure about. I like that it has this inner leak-proof lining, so that in case you do have a spill inside, it won't actually destroy the rest of your luggage. Though I know I told you I'm going to tell you about the prices of each item later, but just to let you know, this one is listed at $48. There is no way I would spend $48 on this. It doesn't seem that high quality. You can already see it's got some creases and lines on it. I've just opened this pouch for you. So, though I love the color, I love this bronze shade that it has. So guys, a quick recap of the products and prices. I told you I will tell you the price of each of these items. The Think Straight roller is $29. The Sienna May Nora zipper pouch is $48. The inflatable unicorn drink holder is for $18. There was a Smashmallow Crispy that also came inside the box. I'll link what that product looks like. It came in very squished, I think because of the international delivery, so I have not put that in the review. The Taroko Natural Hydrating Cream is $22. The Tassel Long Necklace and Earring Set is $62. The Laritzi Dew Pot is $20, and the Invigorating Loofah Soap is $8. The overall value of the box is listed at $211, which I think is too much for the box. But you let me know your thoughts on this. I will say my favorite items are the loofah soap. It smells amazing. I like the inflatable unicorn cup holders. I love the earrings, but I don't think I would pay $62 for this set. And the rest of the products are a bit iffy for me. So give me your thoughts in the comment section. It was amazing doing this review for all of you. I love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.